Hello, welcome there again. My name is Luis with Five Guys Roofing and Air. So this particular project, we're replacing two AC units. There was a cooling issue where we had undersized tonnages in cooling mode. So the house is roughly about 3,600 square feet. We were only getting about 2,000 square feet of cooling. So we're gonna go ahead and upgrade that to a 5-ton and a 4-ton unit, which is gonna allow for proper cooling. It's gonna allow for energy savings under monthly bills, under electrical as well. And it's gonna feel a lot more comfortable. Plus these units are high efficiency units, and they're actually gonna allow for a lot more quieter ambient when they're on. So upon coming out to this job, we noticed that condensate lines were actually clogged up. So that gave us an indication to come out and inspect, unclog those, and that's when we realized that we were undersized in the units. So if you guys come on with me, we'll explain a little bit more.
Just before sunrise, our crew arrived with the crane to begin the process of removing the old AC units. We ran straps under and around the first unit, always making sure the weight is balanced before it's lifted into the air by the crane, then monitor its removal all the way back to the ground. After the first unit was lowered back onto the flatbed trailer, we repeated this for the second unit, wrapping the straps and crane lifting off the roof. Finally, the roof was clear to start loading the new units onto the roof and begin preparation of the area where they were to be placed. We then began prepping the surface where the new units would sit, first grinding down the old surface, measuring and leveling the redwood supports, or sleepers, cutting them to length to fit perfectly underneath, and finally applying the silicone coating for added protection around the entire area. Once the preparation was complete, all that was left was hoisting the brand new units into position and getting it all reconnected and fully functional.
So we're really excited for this customer. Final outcome of this is going to be amazing for her. She's going to have more efficient units working up there, a lot quieter. Her roof is going to be sealed around the AC system where she had some leakage coming through in the roofing. So she's just going to feel a lot more at ease. Remember to call us Five Guys Roofing and Air, where you can expect more.